Let's make some cookies. I'm going to use some Hershey Kisses that have caramel in them. And this is a variation of peanut butter blossom cookies. You know, that old recipe. So there's a stick of butter that's room temperature. I'm going to add a cup of sugar and a cup of brown sugar. That's pretty much packed. And get this mixed up. Next, we're going to add an egg. 1 egg. 1 egg yolk. And vanilla extract, which is 1.5 teaspoons. And give this a mix. Alright. Next, I'm going to mix in cocoa. Just unflavored or unsweetened cocoa, 3/4 cup. Next I'm going to add the flour. It's 1 1/4 cup flour. And baking soda. It's a teaspoon of baking soda. And here's a teaspoon of cinnamon. 3/4 teaspoon salt. And get this mixed up. You want to shape these into balls. I use a cookie scoop and use about a cookie scoop's worth, a little over a tablespoon, and then roll them in sugar. Whenever you mix these up, the dough, be sure you have a tall bowl because it's going to try to spit out everywhere. And if you have a stand mixer, I advise you to use that instead of a hand mixer. Now these go in my 350-degree oven. Here they are. They were in there 10 minutes. And you want to stick a chocolate kiss right on top of them right away. And then these will sit here for 2 minutes. And then we will take them off this, put them on a rack to cool. I think I made them too big. It's been about 2.5 minutes. I'll take them off. Put them over here to cool completely. They smell good. Here's the second batch right out of the oven. I'll get those Hershey Kisses on them. I like this size better. I made them smaller. About an actual real inch size ball instead of bigger than 1 inch. Now I have a little bit of dough left. I might be able to get 5 more cookies out of it. I'll let these rest here for 2 minutes and then put them on the rack to cool completely. I have to say, these are very good. I wish I had made them all smaller like this. I might have got 3 dozen. But these are very good. The cinnamon in them taste perfect. I mean, really nice. Very good cookie. Thank you so much for watching.